Hello followers, today we are going to discuss the practical example of Oracle Hierarchical Queries. So sometimes they call recursive queries. Whenever we see the data with a child-parent relationship, if you see employee table, it's employee number and the child is MGR number. So there is a child-parent relationship or any other ordering. If we are able to make the ordering of the data, then we can use the hierarchical query to display the tree structure. Okay, in your academics data structure you may be learned. So in the data structure implementation in Oracle using hierarchical query. Okay, so here these are the uh, concepts Oracle introduce in the database level implementation. Okay, we can go one by one. Okay, so just first we can see the hierarchy. So here the just I kept hierarchy of employee hierarchy. So king, under the king there is a three employee, Jones, Clark, Blake and Clark. Under them what are the employee? So that's the way I kept the hierarchy. So as per the employee data. So start with class. What is start with class? It's define the root node. So if you uh, in the tree structure, B plus tree structure, first at the starting point we call as root. Then we will next we will from the root, if we inherit, there is a child. So in the end, if we don't have any child, then that is a leaf. Okay, so using start with class we can find the root. Okay, so this is the root of the tree structure. So we are starting with this king, that is a start. So whenever you find the parent child relationship in your data, your project data, then you can keep where it should start the tree. Okay, that is a root. Connect by prior. So if you want to connect the parent child, there is the class connect by prior, from where to where. So employee number to MGR, this is the child to parent, parent to child connection. So that parent to child relationship we mentioned using the connect by clause. Okay, so here the parent is employee number, child is manager. So always primary key side it will come as a parent. Okay, next level. So the based on the hierarchy we will it's give the number which level the in the tree the particular parent or child. Okay, so and six connect by path. So here it's very interesting one. So we can travel the complete path parent to the end leaf using the six connect by path. So after 10G, Oracle gave the features using six connect by path. Okay, and we have few more concept. Connect by is leaf and order by siblings. So normal order by clause it's destroy the ordering of the tree structure. So we use order by siblings to order the hierarchical data. Okay, there is no cycle. No cycle when we have the sometimes we get the data foreign key primary key relationship. So if data available in the primary key, then we can use that particular data in child table, right? Foreign key. So if you see here in this data, king we don't have any manager. So but we can update any other data. Example, so king number is 7839. So if Jones is child, we can update this value to here. As per the database, it's accepted because it's parent key is available. But at the business case, employee can't the manager of the manager. So that's president of the manager. So that's why the business way it's failed. So this one we will get the error like the loop error we will get. So okay, while giving the example I will show it how it will work. Okay, that to fix that Oracle gave the uh, NoCycle. If we mention NoCycle, then it will be accepted. It will won't throw error. It will show for King, he is a manager. Jones is a manager. That's the way it will show. So these are the concepts we are going to see. Let's run to the practical example one by one. Okay, let's go through. So we are not in the graphical representation in database, but still we can understand the hierarchy. If you see here, if we start with 7839, here 7839. Next one is it's coming Jones. Why it's coming Jones? If you see tree structure, first child is Jones, okay, then immediately it will what happen, who are the under the Jones, it will complete first tree structure. After Jones it will come to this Scott, Adam and Foods. So see here Scott, Adam under the Adam, Ford. So this is the first branch. Okay, first branch. So under the Jones, then it's come to Blake. If you see the data, it's come to the Blake. After that, who all in under the Blake, it's showing those data. So Alan to James. If you see Alan to James, it will show there. Then next branch Clark, under the Clark Miller. So once if you see the data, then only you can understand it's a tree structure. How? So this is the way the hierarchical query works. Okay, so if you see only data, you can't understand. But if you look into the tree structure and data, then you can understand. So always what happened, first it will complete one branch, then it will start with the next branch, and that will come next branch, then it will start the another branch. So that's the way it will complete the complete tree traversal. So data structure, how we travel the one tree to other another branch. So once it's completed, similar way. Okay, so using the start with class and connect by period, we can display in the hierarchical way the data. Okay. Next, level. So if you see, it's give the numbers level. If you see, it will give the numbers. What is the hierarchy for that number? So so what are the which hierarchy? So first, second or third or fourth. So based on this hierarchy, it will give the number. Okay, it's give the number based on the hierarchy. So this hierarchy, how we have displayed in the tree structure, based on that it will give the number which hierarchy it is. Okay, that is a hierarchy level. So that is a pseudo column, level pseudo column. So I will give more example while taking the concepts of pseudo columns. Okay, so we can display this kind of the level. Based on the level, we can print the L padding function used to print the stars. Okay, wherever the level, it will give the, see, this is the hierarchy, we can display it. Okay, based on the level. Okay, which level they are. So based on the level, it's going. This we can use the function and we can display level. Okay, sys connect by path. It's very interesting one. Okay, so if you see here, six connect. Okay, so it's remember the complete path. See, so see, it's giving the complete path. If you see real time, we can real time. There is a use case. Okay. Text connect. Okay, so actually, one minute. Sys connect by root, I think. Okay. So it's inter-networking system and all, they will use this complete structure using this sysconnect by path. So there is one more thing. What is that? Sysconnect by root. Connect by root. So ename, comma, sysconnect by ename, root ename, comma, salary. So we can see, if you see here, see here I can put it there. So now I am going to the root. Okay, so similar way I can go n number of child. I want to print it as root salary. Okay, root salary also. So root salary also I want to print it. If you see here, see it's, I can print the root entire entire data and salary also. How, in example, now I am putting one more thing. Connect root salary minus salary. See diff. No. See, if you see here, it's giving the minus difference. What is the difference? Where their implementation, this kind of implementation, if you see Rabbito, Ola, Uber, if you book the cab, so the final destination and your pickup point, they will calculate the kilometer and they will give the price amount. So here and all, they will directly use this connect by root class, and based on the available data, they will get the pair amount. Okay, that's the way implemented in the database level. So just using only one class. Okay, this is a real-time implementation. You can say in your interviews, if they ask where it will work, you can say the example of the Ola Uber pricing system. Okay, in the Google Maps. Okay, this is one important real-time application. Okay, connects by root, connects by leaf also. So connect by leaf. Oh, wait. Leaf. That's root sal. Okay, connect by leaf. Okay, this one I will explain. Order base. Okay, cycle. Cycle I will explain, then I will go for this one. See, now if you see the data, okay, 1 minute. See, connect by root. Okay, this one I explain. Okay, connect by sleeve. So if you see here, so wherever we have leaf, there we will get the number. So there 1, or else we are getting the 0. So if we don't have any child for the particular node, then it will be the leaf. So there we will get the number 1. Okay. So if you see, these are the guys, they are not having any child. Those we will get the 1. This is connected by leaf. Okay. Next level, order by siblings. See, if you see order by clause, if you use directly, what happen? If here, if you use order by ename, that the tree structure will change. So if you want the same order, then you have to use the siblings keyword. So it will display on the hierarchical order. So it will use for order by siblings. Okay. Level I also path also discussed. Okay. Okay, these are the concept. So cycle. Okay, that one error I have to display. So see, if you see, select star from EMP. See, if you see now the employee is null. So if I am going to update with some value. So update EMP set MGR equal to, I am updating the value Jones. So the Jones I am updating as manager. So now where employee number equal to 7839. So for King, I am updating as, so as per RDBMS, it's acceptable because parent key is found. Okay, it's updated. What? Now I'm running connect by prior. See, this you will get this kind of error. Connect by loop in user data. Okay, user data, there is a uh, um, conflict. Child become a parent for the parent. So that's why it start giving the error. So for this, no cycle. So okay, connect paper here. So there is a cycle keyword we can use. Okay, so now let me connect by no cycle. Okay, I will explain it in the next session. So using cycle keyword, no cycle, I think. Okay, that one issue I will explain it in next video. So we can use the no cycle keyword uh, to fix that error. No cycle. If we mention no cycle, then let me cycle. Okay. I will check and I will update this issue fix in next video. Okay. So using that we can fix. Okay. That issue. Okay. I will explain that concept in next video. Okay. So it will give whenever you get the error. So in interviews you will get, when you will get the user loop data error, you can see if a child become a parent of the its own parent, then that time it will give the error. To fix that, we you have to use no cycle keyword. Okay. No cycle. I don't have these examples here. Okay, so let me, I will try it out and I will, okay, I will try it on there. Okay, these are the concepts. Mostly interviews you will get the question. So so these are the hierarchical queries. They will ask how it behave, how it works. So based on the each class, it's works in the different way to display the data in the hierarchical way. So whenever you get the questions from hierarchical query, so you can give the answer how it works. Okay, so most of the people, they see their project but they don't understand the concepts beyond that. So now I think you are clear with the concepts how the hierarchical query works. Okay, so the one scenario I will update it in the next video. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. Please subscribe my channel, share your feedback, comments. I will be keep posting the videos frequently. Please subscribe my channel to get the immediate notification once I share the videos. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah.